I'm Nicki Brooks. I am from Brookings, South Dakota, longtime Brookings resident. I like to play mahjong, golf, do some volunteer work for church and community, spoil grandkids and puppies. Dr. Knudsen was recommended to me by Dr. Tesh, my long-term eye care provider, so the natural progression was to just go to Dr. Knudsen. And he was highly recommended by Dr. Tesh, and he and his wife belonged to our church, so I have known him at the country club and the church. They said I would know, and I suspected. When I went to my primary care provider, Dr. Cecil, he said, and by the way, get those cataracts fixed this year. And Dr. Knudsen had already said, we don't want to put it off much longer. So, anytime the word surgery is there, and anytime it involves eyes, you get nervous. My mother had a blindness problem caused by diabetes, and so you always think, I don't know if I want anyone messing with my eyes. But, I knew it had to be done. I'm squinting, a little trouble seeing at night, and well, he's very professional and easy to talk to, and he spots problems really fast, and I like him. Fabulous. Yeah. Everything was on time. Everything was explained to me. Great nurses. Great people to take you back to the room. Great follow-up. Dr. Knudsen came in afterward, and it was, I couldn't ask for a better experience. That was perfect. I knew I was going to my daughter's in Nebraska for at least 2 months. And when I saw Dr. Knudsen, he said, well, he's scheduling, or his staff said he's scheduling out this far. And I said, I'll have to wait then until the first part of the year to get this done. And all of a sudden they said, you know what? We can make it work, Nicki, around your schedule to be gone. So, and they did. Amazing. The day of surgery was actually great. Everything was on time. Everything was comfortable. All the fears went out the door. Right away, when I went home and turned on the TV and said, wow, I didn't know I had high def. Well, I'm going to have less squint lines because I realized I was going like that, so it's much better. I mean, it's just clearer and less headaches, I think, from squinting. You don't realize that you're trying to compensate for foggy eyes. We are so lucky. It's just invaluable to have it less than 5 or 10 minutes away from wherever you are. I appreciate the efficiency and the personal care. I love being called by my first name. It was timely, efficient, personal, and good. Well, I'll tell them what everybody kept telling me is that, Nicki, there's nothing to it. It's so easy. It will be the easiest surgery you ever had. And so cut it out, It was easy, and it was fast, and it was painless, and that's what I tell them. Well, I would recommend it because why would you have to travel to get quality care? We have quality physicians, we have good surgeons. I don't know why you would travel all the time for health care when we have the Brookings health system and the clinic here.
Are you one of Brookings Health System's grateful patients who would like to give back to us? Learn more about how you can give back at brookingshealth.org/mythanks.